So hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss what is an operating system. So what's an operating system? Operating system is an collection of a software that manage computer hardware resource and provide common services for computer programs. The operating system is the most important type of the system software in a computer system. User interact with the operating system through a user interface such as command line and GUI. First software we install in a hardware is an operating system. That's a collection of the software which help us to manage the resources like RAM, CPU, hard disk, and provide us a GUI or CLI interface where we used to enter some command or click. Using this we can perform some critical task. How we are doing, like how I prepare this PPT. First I have installed Windows machine, Windows OS on my system. Then I have installed another software called Windows PPT or Windows Words. Okay. So using that software, I am able to create this PPT and showing to you. And there is another software which is recording my screen. So for recording a screen, my software is consuming some memory, some CPU, and some storage also. Same, writing this thing, my system is recording something in a RAM, storage, and something. So it is consuming those resources. So managing those resources according to application need is being performed by an operating system. There are some function that operating system performs, like resource management. The operating system manages the hardware resources of the computers such as the processor, memory, and storage. Okay, memory management. The operating system manages the memory of the computer, ensure that different program and process can use memory efficiently. Like I am using 2 or 3 processes in my system currently. So my system is distributing memory and CPU according to their need. Process management. The operating system manages the execution of programs and processes and allocate resources such as the processor time and memory to each process. Like my CPU and my memory is given for some time to process. Like my system is ideal, it's just recording a screen, and my Word file or PPT is not consuming any memory around. It is got stored in the system, it has just populated. So whenever I do the page down and page up and go to next page and editing, then only CPU and memory comes in a picture. Okay, so according to need, system is managing process and providing resources. File management. The operating system manages the file system of the computer, including organizing and storing file and provide access to those files for users and program. So if I want to give a permission to a particular user to read that file, I can do. If I want to perform a task like creating copy, moving data, editing some file, that's all the system, all the things are provided by the operating system. Security. The operating system provides security feature to protect the computer and itself from the unauthorized access, like a username and these things. We will able to create a new user, will provide some permissions, and moreover we can install some antivirus which is also consuming the CPU and memory, and OS is handling those things. And there are many popular operating systems available in the market according to hardware and according to our need. Like Microsoft Windows we are having, which I am using in my laptop right now. Windows is a popular operating system for a personal computer and laptop. It is available in server version also, which include Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7. Okay, server version. And we are having Windows servers 2012, 13, and 2022 is running. Then we are having a Mac OS. Mac OS is an operating system that's run on Apple devices like computer and laptop. It is designed to be easy and use, and is known by its sleek, user-friendly interface. Okay. Then we are having Linux. Linux is a free and open source software system which is popular for a server and other systems that require high level of stability and security. Linux is an widely used embedded system such as router and smart devices. Okay. Then we are having iOS. iOS is an operating system that's run on Apple iPhone, iPad, and iPad Touch. For a smaller device provided by the Apple, like iPhone, iPad, their smartwatches, and for those they have built iOS, which is user friendly and popular for mapping with the other Mac OS. So Apple have built their ecosystem where all the Apple devices work together. Okay, then we are having Android. Android is a mobile operating system developed by the Google. It is used a variety of smartphone, tablet, and some customizable interface they have provided, and now it is being used in smartwatches also. So these n number of the distro we are having available in the market, but we are using few like Apple. If you are in Apple ecosystem, you are using Apple. If we are having the laptop and this thing, we are using Windows. In servers, we are using Linux and Windows both. iOS and Android is a small devices which is portable things. We are using like iPhone, iPad, and and Android also. Now people are started using Android laptops, and mobile is already available in the market. And one more thing, smartwatches are available on Android base. So you can customize this thing. That's all for the operating system. If you like this video, click the like and share button. Subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Goodbye.